The HNYM is an organization that stands for the rights and the welfare and to seek the justice and equality of the Khasi people residing only in the state of Meghalaya. At this juncture, the HNYM would like to express the support and stand in solidarity with the VPP President, Mr. Arden Miller Pesawimait, as he is in an infinite hunger strike demanding for the review of the reservation policy, which is deemed fit to be looked at with great consideration at this hour. So we support this demand and we would like to express and warn at the exam remarks by some of the organizations from the opposition party like the Garo Student Union by threatening Mr. Arden Miller Pesawimait. And this is a very clear message from the HNYM National Youth Movement that we are ready to face any challenge at any time, be it physically or mentally, or even if you want this issue to be taken to another level of communal riots, we will do it. So don't try to threaten our representative and our leaders, or else you will have to answer with the consequence. We will not withstand anyone trying to stop us from this demand, which is just. We are not demand from the superiority, that we are here to demand for equality. It has been 51 years, many government and coalition have come and go, but none have fulfilled this manifesto to review and revamp their reservation policy. Therefore, the HNYM will not tolerate anymore this neglecting cultures of the Meghalaya government. The HNYM also stand for the right of the youths and express the deep concern over this one-sided policy, which is very partial, and we will never give up on this as whatever it takes.
Today, the 27th, the month of May 2023, the Executive Committee of the HNYM National Youth Movement had discussed specifically on the 2 points childish and communal statement given by the Education Minister Shri Rakam Sangma on 25th May 2023. Point number 1, the statement given by Rakam Sangma that the BPP had insight or woke up the communal tension between Khasi and Garo people on the issue of the reservation policy. And point number 2, in his statement that the issue raised by Arden is just only a political drama. So the HNYM National Youth Movement (HNYM) strongly condemns such statement given by Rakam Sangma, MLA from the Garo Hills, who accused that the BPP had been inciting the communal tension and bragging that this issue will lead to the communal riot. Probably it is Rakam Sangma who has this kind of idea to incite his own people to create any havoc or tension in the state of Meghalaya. And Rakam Sangma also stated that Arden play a political drama in this issue. So this type of statement is the statement of unqualified representative and this way of comments. As a minister, he is responsible for the peace and tranquility in the state, not inciting violence. Instead, he is supposed to urge the government to take this demand into consideration. He should not be so thin-skinned by taking this issue personally. So from the HNYM National Youth Movement, clearly send this message to Mr. Rakam Sangma that from now onwards, he should avoid to give or to speak such a childish and communal statement from now onwards.